Hello friends, good afternoon. You are welcome in the Environmental Awareness Program organized by Janvikas Mahasabha and Society of Career Technology of Lucknow. The producer of this program is Mr. Pankaj Kumar and cameraman is Ms. Bhagiratna Tiwari. I am the resource person, Dr.agam. Today I will talk to you about some activities which are related with our life. Actually, in environment there are two things. One which we study in our classes for basic information, that is one thing. And second, the other things which we are concerned with our life, which are not included in the syllabus in the school colleges. I am much more concerned with such issues which are not included in the school colleges curriculum, which are concerned with the day-to-day life. So, I shall talk to you with certain things which make a difference. There is a razor's edge difference between right and wrong, but that makes a difference. First of all, drinking water is very costly. Many times it happens that a guest comes in our house and we offer a full glass of water. He just takes a sip and after that he just leaves it. And that water goes in drainage. It is ridiculous. It is a sin. We are not supposed to waste even a drop of water. Nowadays I have started using a smaller glass, a small bottle, and I just keep that bottle in front of the guest that, well, how much amount you need to drink, you take it in your glass and leave the rest. We have to develop this culture. In the beginning it may appear as a weird thing, but no, we have to do it. You ask your parents, they will tell you that a few years ago in our houses, the matchbox which was coming, it contained two small strips of paper for its locking. And when we purchased it, we just pierce it and then open the matchbox. After some years, the wrapper was used on only one side, not on the other side. You can say, how does it going to make a difference? It makes a difference. It was beneficial to the match industry. In the whole year, it was a matter of concern of thousands of rupees. After that, this type of matchbox came into fashion in which there was no strip. This is a fruit juice. For its drinking, a straw is attached here. This straw is of plastic. And for attaching this straw with this drink, again plastic is used. We will have to think about some alternative. Have you thought some time that in our houses a matchstick is used and this portion is burnt, after that remaining part becomes a waste, it goes in garbage. It can be kept and used in making some handicrafts or feather of bird model or anything else. Even the toothpick which is used once, then it is thrown in the garbage. After cleaning it, it can be used in some handicrafts, some SUPW, socially useful productive work. A few years ago, in our houses, this type of blade was popular for shaving, and it was fitted in a safety razor. After use, after making 8 to 10 shaves, when the edges became blunt, it was thrown in garbage. But mind it, it should be thrown not as such. It should be wrapped in the wrapper and then thrown in the garbage. After that, a new technology arrived. Of course, its angle was very suitable, it was very comfortable, it was double-edged or triple-edged or 5-edged. In the beginning, this part was replaceable. This part was replaceable and could be used again and again. But some models came in which the whole system, after use, was thrown in garbage. How much pollution, plastic pollution, bakelite pollution it is making in our society. We will have to think about that. Even many toxic mosquito repellent, they are, when the fluid is utilized, they are thrown in the garbage as such. No, it is very toxic and it should not be thrown in the garbage as such. There should be proper disposable site for this thing. A dug should be made in the soil and it should be immersed in that mud or any other alternative for proper disposal. Even the toothbrush. Nowadays, toothbrushes are coming having a plastic cover over its head. Alright, it is good for maintaining its hygiene. But after 1-2 months, when this toothbrush is thrown out, this is also thrown out. And it also makes a plastic pollution. We should think about proper utilization of this also. You have seen rock garden of Chandigarh, and a simple person tried to develop a new park with disposable items, and it is a unique thing in India and all over the world. Why can't we also make such activity? Last but not the least, a few years ago in Indian society, fountain pens were being used, in which fluid ink was refilled in the pen body, and one pen was continued to work even 1, 2, 3 years. Sometimes its nib was changed. Otherwise, that pen was suitable for a long time. Now what happened? A new technology arrived and we developed dot pen, and that dot pen included plastic covering having fluid ink in them. When that fluid ink is exhausted, that plastic wrapper of refill is thrown in garbage. can you imagine how much pollution it is doing? We will have to think about that. So, presently in our India, disposal of garbage is the most important, crucial point, and we should work on three lines. We should reduce it, we should reuse it, or we should recycle it into some other utilizable product. So wish you good luck. Thank you very much.